Bamboo.
I'm doing stuff.
Your name's Bamboo.
And I'm doing stuff. You know, bamboo grows like 3 inches a day.
It does.
Yep. Am I going to grow 3 inches a day?
No, thank goodness.
Well, I'm going to move 3 inches a day. That's
well,
for sure.
you know, we were trying to do pictures, but
I've never had a collar on. This is weird. Look at this. Is all everything's foreign.
It is.
Yeah. Well, look, what's over here?
Well,
What's this?
There's begging strips over here for
I've never had a begging strip. What do you do with it?
You gnaw on it and get it all gooey. My goodness, girl.
Everybody says how cute I am.
You are adorable.
I'm pretty lucky, huh?
And so your mom is like a little bit bigger boxer. No, beagle.
And I'm pretty sure my dad was a boxer. Mom didn't tell me, but I'm pretty sure she said that's what it was.
You look a little boxery.
Yeah, a little bit. And my siblings look a lot boxery.
They do.
Yeah.
The little adorable little faces and profiles.
Look how happy I am.
A little bit.
So there was an older pregnant beagle at a high kill shelter.
Yeah.
And she got out of there and had us.
That was your mama.
That's pretty lucky.
Okay, we gotta go.
I don't like the scholar.
I know, it's okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.